to the ignition and step on the gas. Let's go.
What's up on guys, welcome back to another Let's Go JA Tours, and today we're going to be taking a trip from Micheal Manley Blvd all the way to Harbour. On this trip we'll see the General Penitentiary Prison GP, Raytown Fishing Village, the flour mill, the cement factory, and many more. So don't forget to like and comment, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe to see more tours of the beautiful country of Jamaica. So now relax, drink a red stripe, and enjoy the ride. So to our left, we actually see the General Penitentiary Prison, or now called the Tower Street Adult Correctional Center. Now this prison can accommodate over 650 males, but at times we have many issues of overcrowding, where approximately over 1,700 prisoners are actually held there. This prison was actually constructed in 1845 and has been renovated several times throughout its lifespan. The roadwork that you see is a part of the shoreline protection roadwork that is taking place for the Kingston Harbour. This renovation or protection actually starts from Raytown Fishing Village all the way to the new Ministry of Foreign Affairs building that is in downtown Kingston. And to our right is the Raytown Fishing Village. So this is where the expansion starts. Raytown Fishing Village is a very nice fishing village. If you're interested in getting any freshly caught fish, you can come here. So to our left is actually the community of Manley Meadows. So beside Manley Meadows is actually Bellevue Hospital, which is the psychiatric hospital here in Jamaica. However, the main entrance is on Windward Road. So whenever I do a tour of Windward Road, you'll actually see the Bellevue Hospital, but it's right behind Manley Meadows. So if we take the left, that will take us onto Windward Road. So if you look to the distance, to the left side, you actually can see the Jamaica Flour Mill. And this flour mill is the largest flour mill here in Jamaica. Again, to the left, you can see the flour mill. To our left, we are actually passing the Ruby's refinery. So to our left is actually the Rockfort mineral bath. It's actually closed due to COVID, but I remember going there when I was little to the mineral baths as well. We were able to see some of the old fortress that used to stand there, so you actually can see the cannons on the wall right here of Fort Rocky. So right next to Fort Rocky, or to the Rockfort mineral bath, is the Caribbean Cement Company Limited, or what we call Carib Cement, which I do believe is the largest cement manufacturer here in Jamaica. And this is where they're located. Also have access to the Kingston Harbour, so they're right located to the Kingston Harbour. And the Kingston Harbour, as you guys know, is the 7th largest natural harbour in the world. So our country is very small, but we have the 7th largest natural harbour in the world. And I remember when I was little, many times coming to this location right here, because the book ship who normally comes where we could get a lot of books for youths and for young ones. That ship would normally come and dock right here at the Carib Cement factory, and we're able to board it and buy books at a very discounted price. To the left is the community known as Harbour Heights, and I do believe to the right we can see some ships there. That is the Danny Marina shipyard. So we are now coming into the community of Harbour View. So to our left is Harbour View, and then to our left, if you look very keenly here, right here, is actually a new townhouse complex that is being built. So you can see the homes there. That's right in front of the beautiful Kingston Harbour, right next to Harbour View Shopping Center. So this has brought us to the end of our tour, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you again on another Let's Go JA Tours.